What if your AI art could tap into OpenAI and Google's powers? Adobe Firefly just supercharged its app with third-party AI models, and it's a game changer. Ready to create like never before? What's up, creators? Welcome back to GadInsider. Adobe's Firefly app just got a massive upgrade, announced on April 24, 2025 at Max London. Now it's packing AI models from OpenAI, Google, and more, alongside its own legally safe tech. Let's dive into why this is huge for artists. Since 2023, Adobe's Firefly has been a go-to for AI-generated images and videos, trusted for its commercially safe model that shields pros from legal risks. Now, Adobe's adding OpenAI's image tools, Google's Imagen 3 and Veo 2, plus Flux 1.1 Pro to the mix, with FAL AI, Luma, and Runway coming soon. Sources say the upcoming mobile app for iOS and Android will support these too, so you can create on the go. Adobe CTO Eli Greenfield said that pros love Firefly's legal protection for final work, but many want to experiment with other models before ideation. This update gives you both. This isn't just a tech flex, it's creative freedom. Firefly now lets you mix and match AI models for different styles, from OpenAI's photorealistic vibes to Google's cinematic Veo 2. Switch models with a tap and drag your creations into Photoshop or Premiere with content credentials for transparency. It's been noted that Adobe staying ahead of rivals like Midjourney and X is buzzing with creators stoked about the mobile app. Whether you're a pro designer or a hobbyist, Firefly's got your back. This is for everyone. Graphic designers, video editors, even beginners. Firefly's credit system lets you use third-party models without extra cost, although revenue splits with OpenAI and Google are hush-hush. Brands like Pepsi and Deloitte already lean on Firefly for fast, safe content. Adobe's planning more models, and a Firefly board's beta for mood boarding. With a mobile app dropping soon, your next masterpiece could start on your commute. Ready to unleash your creativity? Head to adobe.com to try Firefly and explore OpenAI and Google models. Subscribe for more AI tech drops. Hit that like button and comment what you'll create with Firefly.